Ya, silakan Dini, dimulai saja ya sambil menunggu yang lain. Jadi sudah bisa dimulai. Silakan.
Siap, Sir. Terima kasih, Sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih, Sir Muhid. Terima kasih teman-teman semua. Selamat good afternoon. I'm Dini from third group. We are sorry for some unpredictable problem that causes me to speak again this chance. In this chance, I want to talk about psychoanalysis by Sigmund Freud. Next slide, please. Data were collected from the journal research with the title Mental Freedom, Who is Control, the Rider or the Horse, published by Springer in 2014. Researchers by James L. Wisner. Next slide. Definition of psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis is a scientific discipline. This theory is related to human mental function and development. The science is part of psychology that makes a major contribution and has been made until human psychology so far. So psychoanalysis is one of the treatment for the people who has mental illness to help them face the illness that they have. Next slide, please. Psychoanalysis, according to Sigmund Freud, psychoanalysis has three forms. First is it, and then ego and superego. What is it? It is unconscious ones that, as a human being, of course, they have wants in their life. And then the ego, what ego said? Ego said, I need to do a bit of planning to get it. To fulfill the it, the ego is have authority to lead and to get the goals. And then superego, you can have it. It's not right. It is depends on the education or social or family environment to drive the ego. So ego can choose the better or the good right to fulfill the it. Next slide, please. The reins of the ego and the it. Conscious awareness, the ego works towards resolution and meditation, whereas the hungry it strives to fulfill all wishes with unbridled urgency. So the ego, the function of the ego in here to lead or to choose the way or path to fulfill the it, although this is a good or a bad way. And next slide, please. A relationship between it and ego. In this journal, the researchers make illustration between it and ego. A rider and his horse. A rider is the ego, and the horse is the it. The horse provides the locomotive of energy, and the rider has a prerogative of determining of the course and guessing of the movement of his powerful mountain towards it. So the ego has full of authority to get to how get the things that they want and to fulfill the it, whether it is a bad or good way. So in this case, education will help the people to think that it is a bad or good or not to do or to do. And next slide. The it, what is it? It is a powerful mouth suggests forward towards the object of its desires. It's ones that in unconscious mind from a human being. It is need to fulfill urgency. It is something like when people hungry, so people need some food to fulfill their hungry. So it is make people to do something to get what they want, and then living with delusion and superstition than with the truth. With some case, people is have delusion more than the reality. It is because they may have some trauma in the past or bad social or family environment that make them uh, that make them afraid to face the reality. So they choose to have their own delusions to to get pain away from their life. And next slide, please. The ego. What is ego function in here? The first is a control personality elements. As I explained before, the ego is strive, they eat to fulfill what they want. So ego will find a way how to get what they want or what they need. The second drives the id and to some extent superego. Next, between external and internal world. So ego is something that inside people minds that can make people doing something. So the world will know what they do. And then maintaining positive line of communication between importance, personality, and ability to exist in the world and in a satisfying way. So the ego has the full authority to make people become exist because from the unconscious mind, such it, so they do something to make what they want, such like when people hungry, they will have a food to eat, or when people need something like education, they will do action by like go to school to fulfill what they need. And then next slide, superego. The function of superego is first, where moral judgment are made, a home for a person's moral code, develop from ego and is a result as child assimilation from parents, evolves from the interpretation to be good or bad, psychic evolution and filter view of the world. So superego is like a home person moral. So this is depends on the education that people have. People with education, maybe they can separate which one is bad and which one is good things. So they can be a wise people. So they can drive their ego to be in a good way. And this is also effect from the family, like a parents roles, or parents can affect a children to be a bad or a good, because if since they was kids, people tend to keep what something bad in her or in their mind. So when they grow up, the insect is will be something like represent again in their mind. So living in a good social or family environment, it is important, especially for the kids. Then as a psychic evolution, it is because when they grow up, of course they will face something happen in their life. So the more bad things they face, it is can affect their behavior or their psychology, especially when they face the they face something that unready to face. Next slide, please. The attachment of the id and the ego. First is pleasure versus reality. In some cases, people with mental illness, it is because they tend to avoid the pain that they face, something like maybe trauma in the past. So they tend to have something like delusion and don't want to accept the reality that they face and at that time. And then conditionally and freedom. So this is condition. It is the condition it make people with the mental illness will become worse or not. It is depends on the condition, and also they want to be freedom from the pain that they have. Next slide. The superego attachment of origin. The first is corruption of consciousness. They will have a good superego if they have their own consciousness, something like wise thinking, like a good education, and like a good environment. It is make people become good in choosing what they want to do. And then the need to be all important. Of course, as a human being, people tend to be something like a good people or something like a famous people, something like narcissist. So it is also can affect the ego or the it because they're it. And then mastering thought it is important for superego to be good in drives their ego, because education, like I explained before, education is can make people separate what it is bad or what it is good, what it is nice to say or not, and to be good behavior and well-being as a human being. And next slide. Thank that's all for me today. Thank you, Sir Muhit, and thank you, everyone. If there is any questions, feel free to ask, or there is something that needs to be added to this PowerPoint, feel free to speak up.
Okay, thank you, Dini, for delivering the materials about psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud, but from the taken from the journal of
Mental freedom.
Who
Yeah,
has controlled the rider or the horse?
the horse.
Okay. Mental freedom. So it's a book or like story?
Mental freedom, it is like in illustration, sir, like a researcher put in her research. It is like a rider or a horse. So to be freedom from the something like mental illness, so they need to have good control on ego, because ego is just what people want to do to fulfill the it.
Okay. Yeah. I think this kind of material should be learn deeper, if we want to know more about the psychoanalysis, and the man Sigmund Freud, I think he is the one who love explaining about psychoanalysis, and I think he's having more publication about his ideas about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dini, but I don't think that we should have any question or answers about the materials, but that's okay, if you have done the material. Okay, give big applause first for group 3 or
Thank
Dini.
you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Well, for the next, today is our 13th meeting, so I'm going to give materials. But for the material that I'm going to give for today, I want to inform you all as the participant. We are going to have public speaking together. So it means kind of public discussion or open discussion method. And let me share one of the material for this afternoon. So I want everyone can be an active speaker, and it is also as a trial for our technique about final term. So probably for the final term, I would like to change the way we conduct the test. Since the midterm test, we have got impromptu technique, but in this final term later in January, probably you will have open discussion technique. Okay, so I would like to show you first. So I would like to prepare one topic, for this day. I'm preparing a public discussion, and the topic is about reach our goal, for education. So this one is the illustration that we can see how high is our willing to reach the education. Okay, but we have the problem that we know in Indonesia, our country consists of many islands, spread with the big 5 islands, let's say Jawa, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Papua. Also another small island like Bali, NTB, NTT, and many more. And those conditions, of course, affect our human, especially for our students, especially also our competence, for everyone who live in different countries or different districts. Some things that education in Indonesia has already good, and some also think that education in Indonesia still need to be improved, or even they said it's bad or worse. Okay, so this is the issue that we are going to discuss together for our open discussion this afternoon. This is one of the point that probably agree that our education has been good quality. They believe that education in Indonesia is already good. It's a proof that many schools have a good quality, started from PAUD, maybe kindergarten until elementary school, primary, secondary, high school, and until university. But for those who disagree, of course, they will say that in Indonesia, of course, in Indonesia, the education, they believe that Indonesian education is still bad. Why they think so? Because they see that still have many students or children that haven't got an education yet. Yeah, mostly those who came from the poor family, and mostly teenagers, yeah, maybe between 8 to 17 years old, they don't go to school. So almost 4 million students or children, they don't go to school. So that's also the opinion for others. So this fact, yeah, of course, can give a proof that in Indonesia, we assume that education still need to be improved. Mostly, we want all Indonesian children or citizens can have the same quality of education. Of course, for the teachers also, not only the teachers from Jakarta, for example, or Jabodetabek who has facilities, but some students or teachers from other district, they still need more facilities. So the quality of education only in the big cities. So that's why government or we are as the generation think how to create, how to solve, how to innovate, how to change, and how to make this problem clear. Okay, so in this opportunity, I want to give you an open discussion. So everyone is free to speak up, but I want you to raise hand first if you want to speak up. So it can take turns, it can change. So somebody wants to speak up and say your opinion. I think you can say in English, yeah. But if you want to say in Bahasa, it's okay. Just campur-campur probably. And I want you to tell your opinion, your response, suggestion, or maybe innovation relate to the education in Indonesia, how to reach and how to visualize the dream of our father of education. That's Mr. Ki Hajar Dewantara, as we know that he is the one who has vision to make our education better in Indonesia. Okay, so this time I want you to open your mic and then to speak up. So I will facilitate, and this is a free discussion, so don't worry to speak up anything that relate to education, because you are as the one who involved in education. I think someday you will also have the opportunity to change, to create the best education for our country. Okay, and for improving our discussion, I would like to share also the what we call that, the link, yeah, the link for you to improve that opinion. So I will share the link, yeah, the link that came from Padlet, yeah. So everyone can take notes, or maybe in that material can you use any picture, anything, link, video, or etc. Okay, I put on the chat. Nah, Mr. sudah masukkan di chat itu, ada padlet.com. Everyone just feel free from your handphone, ya, boleh dari handphone. Okay, silakan everyone raise hand and then talk about education in Indonesia. This is free discussion. Okay, please. Yeah, come on. That's point of view, yeah, based on your point of view. Okay, that's free.